Every growing business reaches a point where effort is high, but progress slows down. That moment came for Fevino Industries, a passionate solar lighting company from Pune, stuck at 11 crores for years. Not because of weak products, but because systems were missing. Fevino didn't need bigger machines. They didn't need more people. They needed clarity, structure, and a roadmap. And that's where the School of Inspirational Leadership stepped in.
Our products were good, but we didn't know how to grow fast. Most of our work came from old clients, government department and contractors. There was no fixed system for sales and reviews. We were working hard every day, but results were not growing. It felt like we are stuck around 10 to 11 crores.
Through a deep developmental audit, SIL uncovered the real challenges. Sales depended mainly on repeat orders. Operations had no standard procedures. Financial control happened only at month end. Leadership was trapped in daily firefighting. SIL built a 36-month scale-up plan with clear KPIs, strong dashboards, structured reviews, and leadership systems that empowered the entire team.
We are now changing from LLP to private limited company.
When we began with Fevino, we did not come with solutions. We analyzed and what was the analysis through our developmental audits, to our processes, to our systems, to our consulting processes that we have. We analyzed sales, finance, operations, leadership, the culture of the company. All of that was done first. The focus on stocks and focus on the supply chain piece of it was not that great. The data that they were receiving from the team was not concrete enough that they could decide something. 70% of business was coming from the repeat business, which also gave us a trigger that the sales is not clocking every day. Okay, which also gave us the trigger that the marketing efforts that are happening is not building the top of the funnel.
So we introduced structured sales funnel, prospect tracking, sales conversion script. The sales conversion jumped from 21% to 42% within the first quarter itself.
We built and implemented the SOPs for assembly lines, and this resulted in reduction of rejection rates from 6.8% to 1.9%, and the rate of first time right production increased dramatically. That was our contribution to Fevino's production system initially.
Initially, FIS was implemented with them. FIS ambassadors were identified. FIS areas were identified. Maker and checker were identified. And rigorously every day, FIS concentration and FIS penetration was measured with a specifically designed FIS sheet. It was well away from every conventional tool that is being used in the industry, and the results were highlighted.
For Fevino, we designed a real-time dashboard linking cash inflow to project progress. This helped in reducing idle capital by around Rs 1.2 crore and also helped in improving the EBITDA margin from 9% to 13%.
We streamlined and aligned job roles, introduced KRAs and goals for each department, and established a very structured, detailed quarterly appraisal process. Team engagement and retention improved significantly, and the absenteeism dropped by almost 35%.
Slowly, things began to change. Sales became organized, operations became predictable, finance became transparent. Teams took ownership, leaders gained confidence.
Our roles and responsibilities are crystal clear now. Performance reviews have become growth discussion, not just evaluations.
Earlier, we waited for a client to call us. Now we approach them with confidence. Our conversion rates have doubled.
We measure satisfaction every week. Happier customers are giving us repeat orders and new referrals.
Earlier, we worked with Excel sheets and manual follow-ups. Now, every figure is visible in real time. We close monthly accounts within 3 days.
Every department worked in isolation. Now, through daily production huddle, we coordinate like one team.
SIL will continue to guide us on our journey. They have helped us to build systems, confidence and strong vision for the future. Today we work with more than 30 government bodies and 100 plus contractors. And we did all this without spending extra on new machines.
And within 12 months, Fevino grew from 11 crores to 21.4 crores. Without extra capex, without shortcuts, just disciplined execution. Today, Fevino is expanding across India, entering new markets, attending exhibitions nationwide, preparing for future verticals in batteries, smart home solutions, and exports into Africa.
We gave them an index of what is to be reviewed, and we made that review process very, very developmental in nature. And when reviews are productive, your decisions are progressive, you become more proactive, and more importantly, a performance culture starts getting built. And that's what happened in Fevino also. From 11 crores, the next year the company was around 25 crores. This is the second year we are operating with them, and I think more or less somewhere around 55 to 60 crores is what they will end.
But the real transformation wasn't revenue, it was culture. A team that communicates, a leadership that trusts, and a company that now knows exactly how to scale toward 100 crores.
The true success lies in structure. If you are able to build a structure of 100 crores and you then keep pushing your teams positively, motivating them, engaging them, build the right product, serve the customer well, then the magic starts happening. When discipline and inspiration meet together, that's when the magic happens.
Now I have more control, more confidence and a clear plan to reach 100 crores by 2027.
This is Fevino's story. Proof that growth isn't accidental. Growth is engineered. And if your business is ready to scale the same way, the School of Inspirational Leadership is ready to guide you.